Guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. Uh, Actually, this is a morning time. Okay, at 6 o'clock. Okay, I have been walking uh, for 15 minutes. Okay, so I am very tired. Okay, so no problem, but I am very energetic. Okay, so don't worry. uh, I can continue my uh, record video. Okay, so don't worry. And as you can see, this is a Uttara Phonang sector. Okay, and my behind and my beside many peoples. Okay, comes and go, and my beside a rickshaw. Okay, and as you can see, my behind the cycle crossed to bike and the car. Okay, especially this video my brother Morshed Bhuyan and Rahan Kobir, just for you. Okay, as you can see here, a good place, as you can see. Okay, I invited you. You can come here. Okay, and we will practice both. Okay, so don't worry. Here another street, and as you can see, here two follows trees, very nice. Okay, so I hope as you can see clearly my beside and behind, and this is another street, and as you can see a woman cleaned the road. Okay, so actually this video practicing video. Okay, no topic, so that's why I record my video, just practicing video. Okay, and as you can see there are lots of trees and lots of building here. Okay, and this area fully like private zone. Okay, so that's why everything here clear, and actually today's weather very neat and clean, but I feel like so hot. Okay, but I am practicing video. Okay, so don't worry. And as you can see my behind, many peoples going to their main point. Okay, so actually I usually every morning practice video. Okay, so that's why I came here. Actually this place Uttara Phonang sector, actually this place my favorite place. Okay, and as you can see my beside many lots of I don't know this area name, as you can see. Okay, uh, here coming another peoples. Okay, but not stop my video record. Okay, I will continue my record video because uh, because I don't fear another people, like uh, I want to remove my shyness. Okay, so that's why I record my video, and my behind some people's going their point. Okay, but I still uh, speaking practice. Okay, actually don't care another people. Okay, because we want to speak English properly. Okay, and we want to properly communication with another people. Okay, because so that's why every day very need to for uh, English speaking practice. Okay, so that's why uh, don't stop our uh, speaking practice. Okay, and as you can see my behind one brother coming here, maybe he will uh, go to her like her work. Okay, her travel bag. Okay, don't worry, we don't stop our record video. Okay, because this is a practicing video, so right or wrong doesn't matter, but every morning should be English practice, because every morning time fully fresh. Okay, and every morning time very give me energetic. Okay, and every morning time uh, no noise other people, and every morning time uh, sometimes uh, birds sound, uh, listen carefully. Here some birds uh, maybe stay. Okay, uh, uh, actually I feel like so hot, but I am very energetic. Okay, so that's why I record my video and stay here. Okay, actually I want to proper English. Okay, so my dear beloved brother and sister, uh, you can suggest me uh, how to uh, how to uh, increase my fluency, how to increase my confident. Okay, you can suggest me, because I am a beginner learner. Okay, so that's why I cannot all everything. Okay, many times I fear. Okay, and I scared, and lots of uh, I mistake. Okay, so that's why sometimes I make mistake. I don't uh, feel like I feel like fear. Okay, so fear, and sometimes I cannot long sentence make. I cannot short sentence make, and sometimes I stop my speaking. Okay, so this is my problem. Okay, so if you know how to build confidence, you can suggest me, and comment under video. Okay, so I hope your suggestion for me good. Okay, so must be you can suggest me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon in the next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.